Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the basket weave stitch. This is going to be the version number 1. There are a bunch of different versions of the basket weave stitch. I'm going to make a playlist and I will have them all listed in that playlist so you can check out more if you would like. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you're going to need to know how to make chains, how to make the double crochet stitch, the front post double crochet stitch, and the back post double crochet stitch. I have a video on all of those and I will have them listed down below. This stitch can be made from making an even number of chains or an odd number of chains, either in the multiple of 8 plus 3 or 6 plus 3. I'm going to be making mine in 6 plus 3 and I have already made 27 chains on my hook. To start row number 1, make a double crochet into the third chain from your hook. Then you'll make 1 double crochet into each chain across for your first row. So that's 1 regular double crochet into each chain for your first row. To start row 2, make 2 chains on your hook. We're going to be skipping over the first stitch in this row. We're going to be working into this second one right here, making a front post double crochet. Make a front post double crochet into the next stitch. And then make a front post double crochet into the next stitch. So far we have 3 front post double crochets. Over the next 4 stitches, you're going to make back post double crochets. So into this next one, make a back post. That's 1. Into this next one, make a back post. That's 2. Into this next one, make a back post. That's 3. And into this next one, make a back post double crochet, and that is 4. So this is what we have so far. We have our 3 front posts and our 4 back posts. Over the next 4 stitches, you're going to be making 4 front post double crochets. So this is the first one. First front post double crochet. Next one, second front post, next one, third front post double crochet, and next one, fourth front post double crochet. So 3 front posts, 4 back posts, and 4 front posts. Over the next 4 stitches, we're going to be making 4 back post double crochets. So into this next one, our first back post. That's 1. Into this next one, our second back post. That's 2. Into this next one, our third back post double crochet. Into this next one, our 4th back post double crochet. That's how the stitch is looking so far. So you can see how the stitch is forming now. It's going to be sets of 4 back post, 4 front post, 4 back post, and now next we're going to do 4 front post over the next 4 stitches. So this is our first front post, our second front post over that next stitch, our third front post over that next stitch, and our 4th front post over that next stitch. We're now going to make 4 back posts over the next 4 stitches, So this is our first one. First back post double crochet, second back post double crochet, third back post double crochet, and fourth back post double crochet. And that's how it's looking. Into the last stitch of your row, make one regular double crochet. And that is going to be how row 2 is looking. For row 3, I brought in my test swatch so you can see how the stitch is going to look. You're going to start your row by making 2 chains on your hook. Again, you're going to skip over the first stitch in your row. We started our last row by making front post double crochets, so this row we're going to start by making back posts. So over the next 3 stitches, you're going to make back post double crochets. So that's 1, second back post, and third back post. Now you're going to continue the pattern like normal. So over the next 4 stitches, you're going to make 4 front post double crochets. Over the next 4 stitches, you're going to make 4 back post double crochets. Over the next 4 stitches, you're going to make 4 front post double crochets. Over the next 4 stitches, you're going to make 4 back post double crochets. Once you're near the end of your row, for the last 3 stitches, you're going to make 3 front post double crochets. So that's my first one, second one, and third one. Into the tops of these previous turning chains from your last row, make 1 double crochet. And that's going to be how row 3 is looking. You would now alternate between rows 2 and 3 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the basket stitch version 1. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.